can draw your column. You can draw your table. I'm going to show you how to do these. What's the first number in the M column? Somebody? Oh, thank you, Giovanni, for participating. 11. So I write down an 11. Then I write down my rule, which is minus 9.
Equals.
Then I write down my output, which is 2. Then I set up the next one. What's the next one look like? Isaiah. What number is in the M column, son? What number is in the M column after 11? Isaiah, what number is in the M column? Okay, 16. 16. Then I write my rule, which is minus 9.
Then your output,
Which is 7. Good. Set the next one up for me, Megan.
21 minus 9 equals 12.
Good. Set the next one up for me, G.
26. Put your 9.
Minus 9. You can't just say put your 9. You have to know the whole rule. Minus 9 or plus 9.
Equals.
Write it down and do it if you need to. Subtract 9 from 26. He knows it too. You can't do the first one, so you got to borrow. 6 becomes a
6 becomes the
16.
and you carry your 1 to the 2's.
Get subtraction. 26 minus 9. This becomes 16, the 2 becomes 8. Write it down. Come on, you know how to do that. Start at 9 and count up to 16.
Stop, guys. Stop.
What's the answer, Giovanni?
17.
17. Thank you, sir. Be more confident. You know how to do it. What's the next problem, Xavier, since you got so much energy? How do I set it up? Okay, Skylar. $31 minus 9
Equals 22.
22. All right. Set up the next one. Cheyenne. What's the last number in my M column? Huh? 36. Then I do my what? Minus 9 equals what? Yeah, that would be subtracting 10. Think about it, honey. Okay, there you go. 27. So now all you have to do is fill in your blanks. What would be under the 26? What would be under the 26? Tatcher. Under the 26.
Oh,
17. What goes under the 31? Ariana. 22. What goes under the 36? Ashley. 27. Good. All right. Let's go ahead and look at number 3. Somebody read number 3 from the board out loud to me. Skylar.
The
Amount.
amounts a bus company charges to take student on a field trip are shown at the right. How much would it cost for 30, 40, and 50 students to go on a field trip?
Okay, it shows us the input-output table, but it doesn't give us a variable for students or cost. So you have to think about what is a good variable for students. What's a good variable for students? What's it start with?
S.
An S. What's a good variable for cost?
Dollar sign.
The $. Or, because you don't want to get confused with S, you could use a C. Okay? So let's draw our table first. Draw your table. Everybody draw your table. Don't just sit there. Don't just sit there, Xavier. Draw your table. Draw your table. Now, you tell me while you're drawing, what variable can I put above the students? What variable can I put above the students? What letter variable? We just talked about it. It's my input, remember. So what variable can I use?
S.
S. You might want to go ahead and put that it's your input. That way you don't forget. What variable can I put above the money? What variable can I put above the money? Anybody have a variable I can put above the money?
$5 sign.
Okay, you want to use a $? I'm fine with that. Okay, and this side is my, thank you, Brisa, output. First we have to set up our formula, right? What's our variable for input? S. Now I got to figure out what's my rule. How do I get from input to output?
Plus 5. Maybe plus 50.
Okay, plus 50, right? Okay, so now after S I write,
C.
Brisa, thank you, plus 50 because that is my rule. Equals what?
C.
Somebody said it. C for cost or $. All right. Now, can I set up each problem now that I have my formula?
Yes.
Okay, somebody set the first one up for me. Joseph. Look on the board and set it up for me. Treyante.
30 plus 50.
Okay, you just skipped right down. Let's set up these that we've already got done, okay?
10 plus 50
10 plus 50 equals 60. Good, Treyante. Set up the next one for me, Ariana.
20 plus 50
Plus $50 equals $70. All right? Set up the next one for me, Isaiah.
60
30 plus, what's the rule? Remember, you can always go back to your formula. What's the rule, Isaiah? Skylar?
plus plus 50
plus 50.
then equals 80, and I got something for you.
Okay?
And you can also see that it's going in 60, 70, 80, 90.
Yeah, but we want to set it up as an equation, okay? Because not every one of them will work like that.
I'm just saying.
So, because I'll show you something in a minute. All right, let's look at 40. Set it up for me, G.
40 plus 50 equals 90.
Thank you. And you did that so quickly. That makes me happy. Set up the next one for me, Darius. Yes, I'm glad you're participating now.
50 plus 50
Good.
equals 100.
Okay. Now, Skylar, here's how that could be confusing. What if I went ahead and filled these in? The 30 would be
80.
80. The 40 would be 90. The 50 would be
100.
okay. What if the person who wanted this chart, Skylar, didn't want to know about 60? They didn't want to know about 70 kids, but they wanted the next number to be 80 kids. Then could you count by tens? Could you count by tens? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
100.
Would that be the next number? Would that be 110? No, but I could still use my equation to find that answer, right? How would I set it up though? Patrick?
80.
80
80 plus 50
plus 50,
equals 130.
$130. Do you see, Skylar, why you have to have an equation? Because you can't rely on always going straight down the output, okay? All right. Turn that off, Mr. Huber.